Hi everyone, today we're at Pirate Walk. This is at 402 Holly Street in Greenville, North Carolina. If we pan over here to the left, that is campus, those big buildings in the background, so we're super close. As we come back around, let's head inside. This unit is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom with a pretty nice size kitchen area, plenty of room for a table and chairs, lots of room for storage, especially just for one person. As we head into the bathroom, we're gonna head, and this is a stand-up shower, a semi-private toilet, and a sink. And we're gonna finish up in our bedroom. This is a really good sized bedroom actually. And you have a big window here for light. But if you're interested, give us a call, flagshipreproperty.com.